being an open platform and being hosted in the service provider means you have more flexibility to choose devices, to choose applications, to choose the features that you want to run in your network. So we support multiple handsets. It's quite different from the old days where you had to buy the phones from the PBX manufacturer. We support a range of different vendors' phones, including Polycom, Cisco, and new Chinese companies like Yale, and so on, and Panasonic, particularly for cordless phones. We also support a lot of third-party software providers who do integrations into desktop applications, into customer relationship management software. You might be using Salesforce.com or Microsoft Dynamics, or maybe using Microsoft Outlook or Excel. So we can integrate communications into the applications that your end users are using to run your business. We're headquartered in the US, just outside Washington, DC. Our European Service Centre is actually here in Belfast, just down the road from the Titanic on Queen's Mary Island. So we're a local company as well as a global company, and we have about 40 staff here in Belfast supporting our European customers. We're enjoying success in the market, and we're riding the wave as broadband becomes more prevalent and widespread. We actually have 1 in 3 of cloud communication lines and hosted communication services are running off a Broadsoft platform. In the US, we have over 50% of the market. So 1 in 2 business phones that are hosted or running off cloud systems in the US based on our technology. So we're successful. We floated on the market 2 years ago. We're valued just under $1 billion. We're growing at around 20% year on year. Which is nice and refreshing, coming from sort of old world technology, sort of PBX providers. So it's nice. It's a good market to be in. As I said, open platform, we have 5,000 developer partners. So a lot of innovation and creativity being built around our core product, which is a rock-solid, secure, reliable software platform based on SIP that can scale to millions of subscribers. In fact, France Telecom have 8 million consumers running off off our central switch. So we've got plenty of room to scale and to grow in the UK. Some of our enterprise customers, we've got customers across all verticals. We've got some big insurance companies in Germany and Holland. DAC and ASR running more than 10,000 users with call center type functionality, unified communications across multiple sites. Last year we announced our biggest ever win with an end customer. The US Postal Service are going to be collapsing 7,000 key systems and 500 PBXs around the US onto a cloud-hosted platform running off Broadsoft, running out to 400,000 users, so 400,000 phones. So we can scale big. But having said that, our sweet spot in the market is below 50 users. So we have tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of companies between 3 users and 50 users. That really is like a sweet spot in the market, which you can put in the broadband and get people connected up. But we also play in the large enterprise space as well. Particularly companies that have multiple sites, that have mobile and home workers, want to really join up communications for everybody. Anyone else there? Walmart in the US, big retail chain. They own Asda's in the UK. Asda's have about 8,000 users on our SIP trunking. So they've got PBXs in the stores, but they're using SIP trunking to reduce the cost of communications, move from ISDN onto a lower cost platform, but also enjoy more disaster recovery and resilience, be able to do things like call forward not reachable to alternate numbers, to alternate sites. So using the inherent benefits of the internet, which means there's no single point of failure. So don't worry about broadband reliability. If you can't get connectivity to your site, you can find another route. As we're showing here across the mobile network using EE. So there's a lot of good security, inherent security and disaster recovery functionality in our product.